Priyanka Tibrewal, the doctors have also criticized the CBI and the slow pace of the investigation there. They want justice for the junior doctor who was, the horrific case of of rape and murder that took place. Also, they have questioned, some frustration they've expressed about the Supreme Court and the manner in which the hearing is taking place there as well.
Well, I will join the doctors on that because you see, CBI is an independent agency and they should investigate in the matter. There should not be any kind of callous approach. And if there is being any callous approach, then the courts are going very strongly. They are coming on the CBI. That's what we've seen in the Shalda court also. And I think that should be the demand as of now. But as far as what I was hearing, what the state government is saying, that because of the tender procedure, they are not being able to fulfill the security procedures in the hospital. Now, this is which is not acceptable. Why I tell you? Because when biomedical waste products are sold and smuggled in the market, you did not plant any tender. When body organs from the dead bodies, which were sent to the morgue here, and you may say that, all this is there. People were talking about this. There were reports on this. Then also no tenders were flouted. But here, they need tenders. And for how many cameras do you want us to believe the state of West Bengal is so incompetent that they do not have money to put 350 cameras in a hospital? Now, this is unacceptable. What were the demands of the doctor? Out of 10 demands, the 3 major demands were strengthening hospital security, improving the health infrastructure, and putting an end to the threat and political culture in the medical college. Now, all this is related to the law and order issue in a state. So when the state government is failing, you see, because just next to this, another incident has happened. The government has no answer to it. So what kind of protection this government is going to give? Now they were talking
That's right, and these incidents do happen not just in Bengal but in other parts of the country, and that is the overall demand of the doctors, of unions elsewhere as well, that they want better security at all hospitals across the country.